I'm from Ghana.
I'm from Gambia.
I'm from Zimbabwe.
I'm very excited. This is my first experience of watching drama as a collaboration between Indonesian students and international students. And international students are trying their best to speak in Indonesian and also in Sundanese. They were so excited to tell me that, oh, we are going to use Sundanese language. Imagine the students practicing their language and at the same time taking like an exam of showing their skills of Indonesian language, which means they are getting adapted in this society, in this environment and campus also.
Event ini seru sih ya, apalagi kita kayak tahu makanan internasional, kemudian juga ngasih peluang buat UMKM juga ikut serta.
International Bazar 2025. Actually, this event will be yearly, and this is our first event. It has been exciting. It is very nice. We hope to increase the engagement and everything about this event next year, so that we will be able to have a lot of audience. This event is for the public. Everyone in Indonesia is allowed to attend this event.
Keren sekali, yang dimana mahasiswa Universitas Nusa Putra maupun yang di umum juga sangat bisa berinteraksi dengan mahasiswa-mahasiswa internasional.
Amazing!
Keren!
Keren banget semua.
Amazing.